Hello my friends, welcome back to Long Branch Homestead. It is spring 2024 and we are finally getting a chance to plant our garden. We've had a lot of rain lately and we're probably about a week later than last year. But anyway, we're going to start off with planting our potatoes. We are planting Yukon Gold seed potatoes. So let me show you what we've got. So far we have 2 rows. We're planting about 8 inches apart. What we do, we look for 2 sprouts on each potato. So that helps us to get a nice full plant. We've had very good success in past years. And looks like we're going to get 3 rows here today. We've got the rows separated about 24 inches apart.
Oh, poo. I forgot my compost.
What we do is we add a little bit of compost, a little bit of manure mixed in. And what we'll do as the plants start to grow out, we will mound them up. We'll probably do 3 or 4 mounds as the season goes on. But yep, this is the start. So here's my lovely wife. She's doing the planting today. I'll show you how she's doing it.
We'll cover them with compost again too.
Also what she's doing, she's planting these potatoes approximately 5 to 6 inches deep. With 2 eyes showing, like I said. I may have said sprouts before, but eyes, that's what they're called. We had planted red potatoes in the past. They've done well too.
They'll store well.
Yeah, the red potatoes just don't seem to store as long as the white potatoes do.
Okay, cut some more.
Yep, they can real nice. We could store these in the basement. We don't have a root cellar, but the basement's cool enough that they will last probably 6 months after we pick them.
If they're not canned, yeah.
Last year we planted 4 rows of potatoes last year, and we ended up with approximately about 100 pounds of potatoes. It was a great harvest we had. Always nice when we're out here in the garden. You hear all those birds chirping. Now what we're doing is covering up the potatoes with a little bit of compost.
A compost manure mix, actually. And it is organic.
Yep, it's all organic.
The soil was amended through the winter with our neighbors' manure, and it tested pretty well. Takes extra time, but you get a better harvest if you take the time and care.
We get all the potatoes covered in our compost, so now it's time to cover them up with the soil.
Robin's scolding us.
Well, we didn't get quite 3 rows, but all the potatoes are covered up. They're all set to grow. What we're going to do now is we're going to water them in and then wait for them to grow. Well, there you have it, my friends. Plant potatoes at Long Branch. Well, you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.